While kids are exploring these lyrics and poems, you will have them identify words that resonate with them about a better world. You can decide how you want to keep track of them as you go along. But once you have read all the works, you will be able to create a word cloud with the words. To do so, you go to wordcloud.com and create the account. After that, you'll go to the word list, you'll hit edit, and you'll add the words that they've given us. So, say a kid says the word greatness, wonderful, bro, beautiful, etc. Then you're going to hit the word apply. As you can see, mine is a cloud right now, but when you get the website, it won't be a cloud right away. So you'll have to go to shape and you can type in cloud. If you'd like to play around, they have other fonts, colors, things like that that you can work with.